Hello everybody, this is Darvesh Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I'm here with you for lecture number 36. What lecture number 36 is about? Lecture number 36 is about predicative as complement. If you watch this video, please like it and do subscribe my channel English with Darvish. Predicative as complement. It should be known to us that how is predicative a part of complement. In the very beginning, we should understand what do we mean by complement. Actually, complement is defined as that part of the sentence which completes it. How a part completes a sentence. So we discussed about it, that actually when there is subject plus verb structure, it means that if I say he plays, the question comes what and where. What and where. It means such questions come into my mind. If I say he plays cricket, here the word cricket plays the role of object, but this object is part of complement. But when I say he plays cricket in the ground, here the word in the ground is an extra part which I discussed in my last lectures, that in the ground, if we use in the ground, even then it's okay. If we do not use in the ground, even then it's okay. Like this, we consider that in the ground is another part which is also called complement. The whole part which is cricket in the ground, this is called complement. We say that cricket in the ground completes the meaning of this very sentence. Like this, cricket completes the meaning of this sentence. Who plays? He plays. What does he do? He plays. What does he play? Cricket. Like this, if I say he plays in the ground, he plays is actually called a class. But when I say he plays in the ground, this is completed. The meaning is up to some extent completed. We miss an object, but actually in the ground plays the role of complement. It completes the very meaning of the structure. Like this, when we discuss about predicative, we know very well that actually an object, either we have a noun or a pronoun. Like this, when we consider about predicative, in predicative we know that in predicative we have an adjective or we have a noun. Same is the case with adjective. We call it adjective phrase or we call it noun phrase. Either we have a noun phrase or we have an adjective phrase. It is quite known to us that predicative means that part which is entailed by verb. That part that before that a verb is used. So when there is subject and then here is verb and then here is either an adjective phrase or a noun phrase, but this verb should not be an action verb. It should be a sensory verb, it should be a linking verb. Like this verb should connect this subject with this very noun phrase or with this adjective phrase. Therefore, this adjective phrase here or a noun phrase here is called predicative, and this predicative is called complement. We simply sketch some examples, and these examples are, for example, I say he is smart. Now here, he is smart, it means he is subject, is verb, but it is such a verb which is in fact called copulative verb because it connects. It is also called linking verb because it connects subject with a word, and this word smart, it talks about he. So what is he? He is actually subject, and this verb, so this word which talks about subject is called an adjective. So this adjective is connected with subject with the help of verb. This verb is called linking verb or copula or copulative verb. We understand that this smart is used in predicate. The whole is called predicate. But this is used after verb in predicate. Therefore, it is called predicative. And predicative can be either adjective or a noun phrase. So for example, if I say he is a smart boy, it means a smart boy is actually a noun phrase, but this noun phrase is used after verb, which is, and it is connects subject with this noun phrase. This noun phrase is also called predicative. But you should understand one thing, that complement completes a sentence. Complement completes a clause. One should understand that independent clause is also called simple sentence. So here we put the word complement into its meaning in a very well way. When I discuss about some more examples with you people, that is very simple. That predicative should be very clear to us, that with the help of predicate, we understand that there is the word predicate, and predicate means that part or the rest part of the sentence except subject. Now I'm going to differentiate two things to you. In complement, we are mainly concerned with two parts. One is object and the second one is predicative. One is object and the second one is predicative. When I say about object as part of complement, and when I say about predicative as part of complement, it should be known to me that object is it means that a verb which is followed by object, this verb should be action verb. And while a verb which is followed by predicative should be either that verb which is stative verb. This is the difference between parts of complement. And then I say that predicative and object, these two are parts of complement. So the correct structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus complement. And then in this complement, we have object as part of complement and predicative as part of complement. I hope so you like this video. Please watch my more videos. I hope that this course will strengthen, will enhance your capabilities of grammar. And inshallah, I will try my best to share very good videos for you. Please like my channel, love it and subscribe it. Thank you all.